Hello, my name is Robert Haworth. I'm with Rheem Manufacturing. I am a PSM, which is a plumber support manager here at Rheem. I am in Phoenix, Arizona, over at the Service Expo, and I'd like to introduce you to our heat pump water heater, what I like to call a refrigerator in reverse. So what I like to talk to you about is how the functionality of this works. So basically what we got here from this point down is a standard 240 volt water heater. And from this point up, we have a refrigerator in reverse, what I like to call it, or a heat pump. So basically what happens is Mrs. Jones knows how her refrigerator works. So when she goes to her refrigerator, she knows when she opens that door, she has cold air. When she closes it, she walks around, she can feel hot air coming from it. But she can also hear it running. That's why I like to express that for training purposes, because now Mrs. Jones knows how this functionality of this unit works. But what we tell her is, now we take that hot air that is in the air and we expel the cold air, but we take that heat and we take that heat, we put it in the system. It heats up the refrigerant, and it actually heats up to about 160 degrees, and it heats that water inside. Now the cool thing about this system is it has a built-in Wi-Fi, so Mrs. Jones can now control her whole unit with her phone now. She can do the temperature settings, she can do mode settings, all from her phone. She can schedule it. So if she wants it to come on a certain time of day, she can actually schedule it as well. Also what's inside here is some features that I like as a plumber, because if the heat pump side either fails, the electric side kicks in. So that way she's never without hot water. So it has time for the plumber to come in and fix what's wrong with the elements. Now let's just say the elements go bad. So the elements go bad, now the elements will shut down, but the heat pump kicks in. So now she has heat from the heat pump, still has hot water, and time for the plumber to come in and take care of it. The amazing thing about this unit here is that Rheem makes the whole unit themselves. So the warranty they have is just 10 years. If anything fails on the AC side, the whole unit gets replaced. The plumber doesn't have to work on the AC side at all. Now there's some plug and plays in here that we have to take care of, but that's standard with any equipment that's on the market today. But this is our heat pump, the most efficient unit on the market today. Some of our units go up to 4.0 UEF. So basically you get about $3 of free hot water when you operate this unit.